What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B. Hey man, I'm in the garage. I wasn't gonna record this right here, but I decided to just turn on the camera and show you what I'm doing right here. Right now, y'all, I got the saddlebag leg off the bike, y'all. It's 10 screws. This is very easy to do, y'all. I thought it was gonna be hard, but as I checked out a few videos, and this is very easy to install. I'm gonna install the turn signal on the bike. So I already got the back part of it off, as you can see. I took the two little latches out. I go to two little latches right here that goes right up in here. It had 2 screws. You got a screw up in here. You got 10 screws, y'all. One here, 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 and here. So you got 10 screws right there, y'all, to do this. You can do this yourself, man. Don't go pay no lot of money for it to get it done. And you got some tabs in here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs right here. All you gotta do is release those tabs and carefully pull this out right here. We're gonna pull the black, we're gonna detach the black part from the bike, y'all. Let me get my little screwdriver, and that's all that we are doing. And after you get this off of here, it should be smooth sailing. And I'm gonna show you. Just take your time, make sure you don't break those tabs, y'all. And this is late, and I started on this late. That's why I just came on out here. Decided to do it and get it done. There we go. Pop that. Got one more in the middle here. And make sure you be careful so you won't scratch your paint either. Pop that. One in the middle don't want to pop, y'all. Let me see. Every one of them pops, so for that one. Every one of them pops, except for that one. That one don't want to come out, y'all. There we go. Just pop this out right here. You see, it was just a little struggle getting it out. Make sure you put this somewhere where it won't get scratched. I have a towel on the ground. And the only thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take an 8mm wrench, I think that's what that is, to pull it off. And we're gonna pull this reflector out right here. And put the other reflector in. We're gonna get it on. So let me get my 8mm screwdriver, and we're gonna pull it. I'm saying screwdriver, 8mm wrench. And we're gonna get that pulled out. I got my 8mm wrench here. We're just gonna take this out, and we're gonna use the same. We're gonna use the same lock washer and everything in the same bolt. You don't have to use blue Loctite on here, cause this is a locking nut right here. So. And got that out. And you see right here where this little hole is right here. Got a little hole right here. You're going to have to drill that out to probably about, I think, an 8 or 5/8 or something like that. That's so that the connector can go through. I got my lights connected up because I was actually checking out the lights before I did all this. So I'm gonna have to unhook them anyway. So that's for that connector right there can go through that. So I got my drill here. I just gotta get my drill bit, and we're gonna drill that hole out a little bit so we can get that through there. The hole drilled out, big enough for everything to go through. And there we go. Look at that, voila. It's on there. We're gonna have some side lights on this boy. So just use your same locking washer and nut on here as well. And like I said, you don't have to use blue lock tight on here. And don't tighten this too tight, y'all, because you don't want to crack it. You know, this plastic. Just snug it up really good and you should be okay. Like I said, I wasn't gonna do this, man, because I was gonna take this to the shop and let it get done, because I'm like this, man. I didn't want to make no mistake. But after I hooked the lights up and looked at the video, I was like, you know what? I can do this. So yeah, so what we're gonna do now, we got it in the plastic and we're gonna, you see it's got a little slot right here. So make sure that wire go to that slot right there. I'm gonna get some tape and I'm gonna tape this down right there, so that, make sure that go through there so that wire won't get pinched right there. So I'm gonna get some tape really quick. All right, y'all, we got the tape on here. We got the wire down and we're gonna put this back on to the back, onto the here. Like I said, you gotta look, make sure you got where that wire won't pinch at all on here. So make sure you have that just right. And we're gonna start at the front. We're gonna get all of these little things back in the slots. Make sure they go in correctly. Make sure you don't scratch your bike up. Make sure that wire is good right there. And everything is back in place. When everything's back in place, you should be able to snap it just like that. I got one, the same one that was hard to come out in the center. There we go. That boy, like, it don't want to go in or come out, y'all. But we got it in that little slot right there, so your wire would not be pinched. And all we got to do is just put it back on. And I'm gonna get it put on. Then I'm trying to get a couple of screws started on here as well. So let me put the camera down a little bit. So we got a couple of this right here and right here, and make sure you don't get these screws too tight right here, okay? Make sure you don't do that, because if you do, you don't want to crack this boy. Get some on here so you can get it held down. I'm just gonna throw a couple of screws in different spots right here so that this would not fall. All right. Let me show you what I'm doing. You got 10 screws. I'm not gonna tighten the screws all the way up right now. I just go right behind and snug them up. And you just pop this off right here. See that? I'm gonna take my little screwdriver, I'm gonna pop that back off, because I got some screws back here that I need to get in so that I can let that down a little bit further. So, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I get it done and get all the screws back in, all right? Let's go. Okay, y'all, we got all the latches back in, everything back in. There we go. Yep, it's back. No problem, y'all. Like I say, I gotta run the wire now. Let me see where I'm gonna run the wire and then run it to the distribution block. And I'm gonna show you what it look like after I get this side done, all right? Let's go.
Hey,
Okay, y'all, we got the light on, man. It looks good. I know a lot of y'all probably saying, why is it black? It's because my boy blacked them out for me. My boy Scooby-Doo blacked those lights out for me. Cause you know those lights come white. They be white, y'all. But yeah, big shout out to him, man. For, you know, big shout out to my boy Scooby for tinting those for me, man. They look good on the bike too, man. I really appreciate what they look like, man. So, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all this right here, and that you can do this yourself. I got the wire ring. Make sure it's not on top of your muffler here. I used some heated tape, that kind of aluminum-like tape. Cleaned a nice spot off back there, and ran it up under there, and ran it real nice and neat so that it could run to the distribution block really nice. Let me turn it on for you, and we're gonna end the video, and I'm gonna do the other side. I just wanna let you know that you can do this yourself. Look at that, man. That looks good. Let me turn the turn signal on. There we go. Love it, man. Love it, love it, love it. So y'all, we're gonna end this video right here. Y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe, y'all ride safe, y'all have a blessed one, man. It is dark outside and it's cold here in Texas. I don't know what's going on with this bipolar weather, but man, you can do this yourself. So take your time, check out a few videos, and you can get this done. Man, big shout out to my dude Scooby-Doo. Appreciate you, bro. Hey man, he be really looking out for me, cause you know, my dude Scooby-Doo actually one got me the light back here as well. And I think he held me some lights for my forks. So y'all stay tuned for that. So y'all, we out of here. Peace.
Kelly B's rolling. Kelly B's rolling. Rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that Kelly B glide. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turn's another lesson learned.